We're here today to dispute the generally accepted fact that cookies belong in milk.
I'm brewmaster at Broke Brewing Company. Been brewing beer for 30 years now, and I've been a cookie connoisseur too.
My name's Charn Langford. I'm one of the owners here at Broke Brewing Company. I've been drinking beer for over 10 years now. Don't do the math on that. And I'm partners with Mike in Broke Brewing Company. All right, so I think first thing what we should do is kind of go through the beers here and make some predictions about which ones are going to pair well and which ones aren't going to pair well. And then we'll see if we were correct after the fact. So I'm gonna do a gimme pretty, like off the bat. I think that our Irish stout, Sterling stout, is gonna pair pretty well with the cookie action.
Oh, I agree.
Yeah, I think that one's gonna do really good.
Coffee roastiness is gonna come out nicely on that cookie.
And then we have a rotating pecan smoked farmhouse here. This one is the French toast one. I also think that is going to pair very nicely with cookie. I'm going to guess that our black IPA is probably not gonna go very well with it, but
yeah, maybe.
We could be surprised.
Might be good with those M&Ms.
Maybe so. Our cranberry lime seltzer I don't think is gonna be the best pairing either. The hard seltzer that we make is called Cosmonaut. And the Mexican lager I don't think is gonna be the greatest pairing in the world either. But I've got high hopes for the sour, the stout, and the French toast farmhouse.
Yes, if we find one, this should change things for Santa.
I think that's a good point. All right, well, I guess we should just get started. I'm gonna start with the ones I don't think are gonna go very well. This first one I'm gonna do is called Fauché Maison. Yep. It's a French style farmhouse. Saisons have a lot of esters in them. They're a little bit on the funkier side of things. Almost tart, but not like anywhere near as sour. But yeah, that's, I don't think that it enhances the taste. It's not as bad as I expected it to be.
I think I'm gonna start with the pocket change. I'm going light. I think the hops in this one will go well. The lemon drop hops. Nice. Light, delicate.
Yeah.
I'm kind of liking the lager.
Okay. I think I need a little more data here. I'm just gonna go rapid fire on a couple. This is our New England style IPA, Juicy Dividends. We'll see how that goes. Okay, no, that's not very good. This is our black IPA. Oh, that's awful.
This one here accentuates the richness of the stout, and it gives it almost the cookie a boozy taste. It is pretty good. It's real velvety due to the nitro. Yeah, I'm going again.
It's a second dip right there.
Well,
I think I'm gonna try the blueberry sour. This one,
the sour should be good.
I think it's gonna be good. Actually, yeah, because it's a complete juxtaposition. The sourness with the fruity notes combined with the cookie and the M&M really balance each other out pretty well.
Have you ever had like the chocolate chips with the cranberry in them?
Yes.
That's what I think this is going to be like.
That's okay. That's kind of like what this is like too.
Not bad. A little soggy.
Well, I would expect. It tastes wet. I think let me just try the sour. I think the sour is better than that one.
Really? Oh yeah.
Yeah. For sure, that one was good. All right, I think I've tried everything over here. So it's just onto the two that I thought were gonna be good. The French toast and the Sterling. Do the French toast Saison.
I haven't done that one.
Yeah, that's not bad at all.
Wow.
Yeah, that one's good.
Explosion of flavor.
Yeah, and the pecan smoked on that turned out really, really wonderful. The pecans is actually, I think, one of my favorite saisons that we've done. We've done a few.
That one's so
Stout.
good.
I think this one's gonna
It
be
makes
good.
it velvety.
That one's a shoe-in, and it's delicious.
Yeah. This one here, it gives it that twang to it.
Oh yeah.
It changes it into a different kind of cookie.
Yeah. So, stouts, yes.
Yes.
The French toast was really good. I was surprised at how much I liked the Blueberry Index. Actually, probably my favorite of all of them would be the Blueberry Sour. I really liked the balance of flavors there.
It's between that and this one on the Sterling
Yeah.
Stout. Ooh, man, that's so good.
Yeah. The IPAs, no, not at all. The other Farmhouse and the Cerveza style, not bad. Neutral on those.
Yeah,
I
it
think.
was kind of neutral flavor. So
Yeah.
it just accentuated the malt flavor.
Yeah. The bitterness of the black IPA and just the amount of, like, Juicy Dividends is a double dry hopped beer, so it's already got a lot of complex flavors going on, and I don't think it needed any cookie added to it. Overall, I really thought that it was going to be worse across the board than it was.
Actually, wasn't that bad.
No. I thought Dennis was crazy for having us do this. I wasn't looking forward to it at all. But I would have done it again. I'd do it again. That was good.
Yeah. That was fun.
Yeah. So next time you're having a bottle share with your friends, maybe bust out the cookies and dip them in there.
Yeah. And remember, Santa might always not like milk with his cookies.
Well, you got to consider, like, with all the houses that he's going to, he's getting plenty of dairy. He doesn't need any more.
So true.
All right. Well, thank you, Dennis, for having us in this experiment. I think it was overall a success. I could see doing a pairing during Girl Scout cookie season, which is something that I know other breweries have done as well. It's a great success. So, yeah. Thanks for tuning in and checking us out. My name's Charn.
Mike.
We're the owners of Broke Brewing Company.